The swinging motion as the tram car transitions from the track cable over the tower saddle and back to the track. This motion are moving from the flexible track. The original tramway was designed and built in Switzerland, and all moving parts and cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American-made. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables that support movement and communication with the tramway. The largest of these are the track cables on which we ride. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length, therefore weighing a total of more than 60 tons. The halfway point of our trip will be between hours 2 and 3. This happens while it appears the downward car is present.
Oh my God.
Actually moving at exactly the same speed. Because both cars are tied together by the hauling cables, which move with the car. You see, the drive system at the valley station is pulling that car down, and in turn is pulling us up. Two cars are 30 The Palm Springs Aerial Tramway was first conceived in the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer, who to this day is known as the father of the tramway. The original tramway was completed in September 1963 after some 26 months of construction at a cost of $8.5 million.
Like hell high.
Okay, everybody, we're approaching tower number 3. We are going to swing a little bit more of this tower, so I want everybody to hold on to it, please.
The sale of revenue bonds. In April 1990, Palm Springs Aerial Tramway at a total cost of no tax dollars were used, and the cost of construction and the operation of the tramway depends solely on its revenue.
Look at Mom. Mom.
It is between towers 3 and 4 that we reach the longest span of our journey. The cable stretched for more than half a mile. It's one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip. The majestic spire of Cathedral Rock. Visible testimony of the solid granite core of these mountains. As we continue, the light zone changes. You'll see a variety of pine trees, including Indian, big stone lodgepole, natural residents of the high country include deer, mountain lion, fox, bobcat, raccoon, and the California gray squirrel.
That's where we park. Yeah, we park for the gray squirrels.
The smallest of the 5 towers is tower number 4, 57.5 feet tall, located at an elevation of 7,576 feet above sea level. From there,
Oh my God! I'm recording. Oh wow, this is a little way too freaky for me. I feel like I'm on the Discovery Channel live or something.
You will be able to see many desert cities in the Coachella Valley, and far south as the Salton Sea, some 50 miles away. Off to the left of it, that's the Great San Antonio at 11,495 feet, the tallest mountain in Southern California. We are nearing the end of our journey now, and the state parks and wilderness are more than 54 miles of summer hiking trails, and in winter, many miles for snowshoe cross-country ski opportunities. This is, by the way, one of the very few pristine wilderness areas in Southern California, and has been designated as one moderately easy trail. down the Long Valley, just behind and below the mountain station. Those who wish to venture beyond the mountain station, be sure to wear proper clothing and please stay on the prepared trail. So this magnificent wilderness setting may be preserved.
Oh my god.